Who am I? The world keeps changing, so we try doing different things or doing the same things differently to keep pace with it. This makes us unique and influences our outlook towards our lives. While growing up and experiencing the change, we begin to realize our identity, and it enables us to hopefully answer an inevitable question about ourselves: who am I? So, today I am going to share my story and try to figure out or tell you who I am. My name is Ajay Mane. I was born and raised in Mumbai. I did my schooling in vernacular medium and later took admission in the science stream because, like a typical Indian family, my family also decided my future. They wanted me to be an engineer, but I couldn't pass my exams in physics. I scored above average in the entrance exams but couldn't get admission to any reputed engineering college because of my academic scores. Later, I cleared the academic backlog and took admission in the BMM course in Mumbai University. My family was against my decision, but I convinced them and pursued a degree with specialization in journalism. When I had failed in the 12th standard, I had started working with waste management firm. In school times, I was a folk dancer and also a kabaddi player. I represented my school at the district level. I have practiced and performed the hip hop dance form for more than 5 years. Currently, I am pursuing a master's degree in journalism at Mumbai University. Besides, I am working with the Indie Journal, a web news portal, as a reporter. In future, I want to be a community beat reporter or a travel journalist. The reason for choosing this beat is I like to travel, explore new places, talk to people on social causes, see and experience their culture, lifestyle, food, beliefs, likes and dislikes. I especially want to work for a backward classes, marginalized community, people who are facing caste discrimination, and I wish to deal with their problem, social issues and against their discrimination. I would like my work to enable quality and justice for them. While working as a reporter, I got an opportunity to cover first gay prince Manvendra Singh Goel's an interview in Marathi. I have also covered anti-CA and NRC protests and also did on-field reporting during the pandemic. I have also done a series for an Indie Journal during the LGBT Pride Month in June. Being raised in a modest family, I have realized the importance of being independent and therefore consciously work to have an Atmanirbhar streak in my personality. For finding an insight to who I really am, I discuss with few close friends, teachers and classmates, family members about their view on me. These are their responses. I am a dancer, traveler, social activist, I am a journalist, I am a son and brothers, I am a follower of Ambedkar's ideology, proud LGBT ally. But for me, I am a human being first. Yeah, you heard it right. I am a human being, one who continues to evolve but who also retains his basic value. A person with empathy for those who are less privileged and one who is still in work in progress human being with hopes and dreams. I have my weaknesses, but I also have the ability to overcome those and to not allow them to in the way of realizing my potential to change from who I am to who I could be. I want to achieve more in life than what I have done so far, and hopefully in the process of doing that, I will figure out more about who I am and who I eventually turn out to be. Thank you.